companies need to do to prevent that?
So water companies at the minute are really good on biosecurity around equipment and movement and people, personal biosecurity. But once we look at water transfers, we're scaling up a massive amount. So in Yorkshire, certainly water transfers take place through a range of routes. Actually, other parts of the country, canals, etc. are used. We use a lot of old Victorian water pipes and all sorts of things. And by water transfers, we're referring to the transfer of raw water, as in water that hasn't been treated, from perhaps reservoir to reservoir across catchments. And the Environment Agency has introduced a precautionary recommendation that any new water transfers needs to mitigate for invasive species. And there's a really big knowledge gap there, because we're talking about thousands of megalitres. I had to look up what a megalitre is. It's 1,000 litres. Thousands of megalitres of water per hour being moved down these pipes. So clearly, if you popped a sieve in there, you'd block it very quickly. So the resilience of our water supply and the cost to the customer are both concerns. So we really need to research how to try and mitigate these water transfer networks so that it's effective and not too costly for the customer whilst retaining that resilience.
So effectively, we don't know yet.
We do have some ideas around times, around life cycles, and there are predictive models going on in Yorkshire Water around how and when to source water and so on. But there are a lot of questions need to be asked, and that research needs to be done as a matter of urgency.
Okay.